Ooh. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't already, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell, notifications every time I upload. So today I want to make this the very final upload before the cylinder head goes back on. The few things I believe I need to do was one, to sort these studs out for the exhaust manifold. I could have bought some new studs and the new nuts. The nuts are only a £5, so I have gone ahead and bought some new nuts anyway. I'm going to show you, for example, I have tapped these out, but even tapping it out, they're still, I don't know, it's not, there's so much rust and corrosion. It's been on there for so long. The nuts are really bad. The studs aren't too bad themselves, because I've been able to test the studs with another little nut that I've got here. These threads are a M8 by 1.25, so that's these threads. So I've got my tap, my die. What I'm doing is just putting these into here like that, tighten it up, and then we're just going to run the die over it, and then run it all the way down, just to clean the thread out. So the actual the studs seem okay. The nuts are terrible, so I'm going to get some new nuts. There was no washers, so I've ordered the new washers. The washers were expensive, to be fair. Yeah. So I'm going to carry on. These are the last final things I've got to get done. These studs. I want to get this washed out as well, so I'll do that in a minute. But while I'm getting all of this sorted out, why don't we go have a look and see what's going on with the van, because the auto electrician's here from JVS Auto Electrics. So Matt, my good mate Matt, he's out there at the moment getting it all sorted. So let's go and stick you up out there and you can have a watch and see what he's doing.
You're doing well, ain't you? It's good to get back on the tools, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's been a while. How long's that been since you've done real tool work?
Any work on a car?
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't worked on a car for over 2 decades.
What's the last one? XR2 on it?
Probably was, yeah. Right, we will come back to that in a moment. But first of all, I'm in the kitchen, and the reason why I'm in the kitchen is because I have my overflow tank bottle, my water reservoir. So I'm going to clean it out. I've already cleaned it with the brake cleaner on the outside, but as you can see, very mucky, and when the fluid's in there, you really can't see the level of the fluid. I've had a look through on the internet and seen many people's ideas of how they've cleaned theirs out. So here it goes. Yeah, I just found this in the cupboard. So apparently it's good on stains, dirt, limescale, grease, tough on grease, dirt and grime. Powerful cleaning action. So I'm going to use some of that. We'll get some... also, because there's a couple of holes in there, it's a bit of a pain. I could have really done with bunging this up. So let's get a scoop of this in here. It says add lukewarm water, but yeah, we'll just get that. It's warm already. So I guess that's about half full. Just going to put that on. There we go. Now we're just going to give it a bit of a shake. Ooh. We have some excitement. Oh, that was exciting, wasn't it? Oh dear. Why do I find things like that amusing? I better wipe it up quickly. That'll do. Well, that was funny. That was funny. Well, I've just got some rice, so I'm going to pour some rice in. Only a little bit. Oh, where's my little funnel? I can't remember where it is. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, the bits that I missed. See if I can do it like this. Yeah, we can get like 2 grains in at a time. So that's good, yeah. Oh yeah, that should be enough rice. Right, let's see if we can give it another shake. Right, we don't want these bits of rice going down the drain really. And before I empty it, I will sieve it through to make sure no rice goes down the drain. We don't want to get blocked drains now, do we? I've left this here now for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. So I'm just going to start draining this all out. Right, well, you can see in there, in with the rice, there is bits of dirt which is stuck to the rice. So, yeah, putting rice in there with a cleaning product has helped, but still no joy. I guess what I'm going to try now, this does say there's bleach in it, but it's only oxygen-based bleaching agents. So I don't know how strong it is. I've also read on some of the forums of people saying that they put bleach in it and then leave it under a UV light. I wonder if we can cheat and just put some bleach in and give it a swirl and go from there. So in goes a bit of bleach, good old squeeze of bleach. This is where you want to make sure you don't get it on your clothes or anything, because we definitely don't want that happening. So we put a little bit in there for now. Stinks. Yeah, I mean, bleaching it and then putting it under a UV light should get rid of the yellowing, but it won't get rid of the dirt inside. So, well, the bleach hasn't removed any of the dirt. The rice did help a little bit, but there's still a lot of dirt up on the inside. Right, so there it is. I've cleaned it up. I used the old one of these brushes with a wire head, so I was able to bend that head right round. I could get it in through the top hole and clean the majority of that dirt off. All of these stains on the inside, none of them will come off. I've used all sorts of detergents and cleaners, and that's as good as it's going to get. Right, so the dishwasher has finished. And the verdict is there's boiling water in it. Ouch. That was hot. Oh, there you go. Massive improvement. Right, so that's all the electrics done. So thanks to Matt from JVS Auto Electrics. This plug here, he's reused the same plug. He just swapped the pins over on the inside and put the new rubbers and all those bits on. So he's done that one. That's a new plug altogether. That's been replaced. This plug that goes onto the alternator, I couldn't get the right one. Eventually, Matt looked at it and was like, "Oh yeah, it's that one," and so I've ordered it straight away. It just, I couldn't find it under that part number. So that's the wiring done, and all the studs are now back into the manifold as well, and that's it. We are now ready to fit the head. So next time you see me, I will be fitting the cylinder head. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, stay safe, God bless.